language learners. Today I have got a special treat for you that will help you to become an advanced English speaker, or whether you are trying to learn English or any another language, you can improve it with these tips that I am going to tell you in this video. So tip number 1, set your goals. Setting your goals will help you to keep motivated and helps you to complete your goals as soon as possible. Ask yourself why you want to become an advanced speaker. Is this for traveling, career, or for the personal growth? It depends on you. So, and write down your goals and try to complete them as soon as possible. Tip number 2, try to immerse yourself in the language. Try to read books, try to listen to music, watch movies in English as much as possible, and try to think in English too. It will help you to improve your vocabulary and increase your confidence, and will help you to do progress in a very short time. Tip number 3, practice, practice, practice. Speak English regularly. The more you will speak English regularly, the more you will improve your English soon. And to improve this skill, you can find a language partner with whom you can speak, and join a conversation group or hire a tutor. Like any other skill, English also requires practice. So with doing practice, you can improve it very easily. And many people will say that I don't have anyone with whom that I can speak English. So don't worry, I've also its solution. Just watch the full video, you will get your answer in this video. 4, expand your vocabulary. To be an advanced English speaker, you need to have a very rich and broad vocabulary. You can find out 2 words daily on Google. That will make your conversation more engaging, and you can use flashcards to remember them. Tip number 5, improve your grammar or master the grammar. Grammar is very crucial in any language. If you want to learn any language, the first thing that you should have to do is master its grammar, because grammar is very important. You should have spent a lot of time, not a lot of, but some of your time on understanding the rules of the sentences of the language, so that you can speak confidently and fluently with anyone says. Read widely. Reading newspapers, books in your target language will expose you to the different writing skills. It will also give you some new words that you can add in your vocabulary and make your language more engaging. You can also try to find out some topics related to your interest that will make your reading more enjoyable. So this is the best way to improve any language or improve vocabulary especially. Tip number 7, record your voice or record your speaking. This is also the solution of the problem that you don't have anyone to speak English. So you can record your own speaking and try to find out the mistakes that you are doing while speaking, and you can also work on your mistakes and improve them all by yourself without hiring a tutor, without joining any conversation group, or without the person who can speak with you any language. So this is the best tip you can use to improve your mistakes and become more confident in English. So tip number 8, embrace mistakes. Yes, this is the biggest fear of every language learner. What if I made a mistake? Is it right? Am I speaking right? So stop doing it. Don't think about it, because mistakes are natural. These mistakes are the part of the process of learning any language. or any other skill. So you don't have to afraid of mistakes. Just try to learn from your errors and try to improve them. And mistakes are also the part of our learning journey. Try to remember this sentence. From next time, if you are afraid of making mistakes, then just remember the sentence and forget about any fear, forget about like what are you saying, just speak confidently and believe in yourself. Number 9, travel and immerse yourself in the culture. Yes, if possible, then try to travel the regions in which your target language is spoken. Try to meet the native speakers and try to learn their culture, try to learn about their living so that you can improve your language skills. It will accelerate your language skills like tip number 10. Stay persistent and consistent. Learning any language will take your time, efforts, and dedication. Learning any language is not as easy, so it will take some time. But yes, in the end, you will learn it very well. And make a study routine, stick to it, and improve yourself day by day. Don't be afraid of uh, making mistakes. This tip is very important for you so that you can stay motivated and try to stick your stick to your goals. There you have it, our language lovers. 10 tips to become an advanced English speaker. Stay motivated, keep practicing, and stick to your goals. And remember, it's a journey, not a destination. If you found these tips interested, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more language learning tips. And until next time, stay healthy and keep practicing.